In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change or set up hotkeys in OBS Studio so you can control your streams and recordings faster and more efficiently. Hotkeys are one of the most powerful features inside OBS because they let you trigger actions like starting your stream, muting your mic, or switching scenes without even clicking inside the software. Whether you're a streamer, content creator, or recording tutorials, this will save you a lot of time. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more OBS Studio tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open OBS Studio on your computer. Once OBS is open, look toward the bottom right corner of the screen, where you'll see the Controls dock. Inside that panel, click on Settings. This will open the main settings window for OBS. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of tabs like General, Stream, Output, Audio, and more. Go ahead and click on the Hotkeys tab. This is where all keyboard shortcuts for OBS are managed. Inside the Hotkeys tab, you'll see a long list of actions. These include general controls like Start Streaming, Stop Streaming, Start Recording, and Studio Mode. As you scroll down, you'll also notice hotkey options for specific scenes and sources. For example, each scene in your project can have its own shortcut, and even individual sources like microphones or cameras can be assigned hotkeys. Now, if you're looking for something specific, you don't have to scroll forever. At the top of the Hotkeys window, there's a filter bar. Click inside that filter bar and type the name of the action you're trying to find. For example, you can type Start Streaming, Mute, or even the name of a specific scene you created. OBS will instantly narrow down the list so you can quickly locate the exact command you want to modify. This is especially helpful if you have a complex setup with multiple scenes and sources. Once you've found the action you want to assign a hotkey to, look to the right of it. You'll see an empty white box. Click inside that box and then press the key combination you want to use on your keyboard. For example, you might press Ctrl and S at the same time, or maybe Shift and F1, depending on what feels comfortable and doesn't conflict with other shortcuts on your system. If you're using a Stream Deck or another macro device, you can also assign the corresponding key combination there and link it to this OBS hotkey. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Simply click the box again and press a new key combination. OBS will update it instantly. You can even assign multiple hotkeys to the same action if needed, which gives you extra flexibility in your workflow. After you finish setting up your hotkeys, go down to the bottom right of the settings window and click Apply. Then click OK. This step is important because it saves your changes. Once applied, your hotkeys are immediately active. The best part is that they'll continue to work even if the OBS window is minimized, as long as OBS is running in the background. Now it's time to test everything. Try pressing the hotkey you assigned for something simple, like muting your microphone or switching scenes. You should see OBS respond instantly. If it doesn't, double-check that there are no conflicts with other programs and that you saved your settings properly. And that's it. You now know how to change or set up hotkeys in OBS Studio to speed up your workflow and make your streaming or recording process much smoother. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step OBS guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.